Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a true one-time offer. Now you're going to need a plugin to run PHP code within pages or posts. So we're going to go to Plugins. We're going to go to Add New. Okay, then we'll type in exec PHP. And then we're going to install this. Now we're going to activate the plugin. Okay, now we want to add another one called automatic sign out for inactivity. What that'll do is force a logout. We want to force a logout so that people cannot just log in once and then see the one-time offer every time. We'll just search on automatic sign out. And we want automatic sign out on inactivity. So we'll install that. Click OK. And activate the plugin. Okay, you don't have to do anything further with that. It's a 24-hour sign-in time, so if they're more than 24 hours, it automatically signs them out. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is go create another page. So let's go to Pages, Add New. Okay, and we'll do wait. You can only access this data one. You can only see this the first time you log in. Okay, now we would put some details here. Details of OTO. Payment button is going to go here. No thanks goes here. Okay, so the no thanks would be a link somewhere else. Okay, and then with level restrictions, we're going to set it to the minimum of 1. Okay, if we're going to send them all to a single OTO, then we would do it this way. Now we can have an OTO for each level if we want. Okay, so make sure you're in HTML over here. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to hide. And we're going to set the meta robots. Now, don't put a custom capability in here because this OTO is going to be for everybody. Okay, like I said, HTML, and never come in here unless you've set HTML first. Because any page that you put HTML on, if you hit visual, we haven't done it yet, but if you hit visual after the HTML's in there, it's going to screw it all up. Okay, so now here comes the code. I've given you a few snippets of code here that you just need to paste in. Now in your package, you'll see this OTO page code. It's called OTO page. So take your OTO stuff goes in between these two blocks of code. Okay, so this one goes on top. So just copy this. Okay, and then paste it above your content here. And then go back. And then put the stuff under your OTO stuff line here. So copy this. And then paste it underneath it all. Okay, so what this is doing is it's checking the S2 member login counter. Every time somebody logs into S2 member, it adds 1 to the login counter. Okay, so if they've logged in less than 2 times, this could actually be set equal to 1, but I set it less than 2 just in case something happened there. So it does this. If not, if it's greater than 1, then it just says, sorry, this offer is no longer available to you. Okay, so that's how you get a true one-time offer in there. So there's the page. Now watch what happens if I go and try and look at it. Sorry, the offer is no longer available to you because I've logged in more than one time. Okay, so that is our front page. Then what we want to do is create a download page. So we could add new, and then OTO downloads. Okay, now to protect this, we can do the same thing. So they can only get in once. Now, you need to warn them that if they leave the page, they can't get back again. So they need to download everything at once. So what we'll do is we'll put the code at the top. Remember, make sure you're in HTML mode. And you can never come into these pages unless you set HTML first. So go to another page on your site that doesn't have any PHP code on it, set it to HTML, and then come into here. Okay, so then we give them some detail and the download links here. So you can only access this page on your first login. So download everything now. Okay, download links. Yeah, and then our code for underneath. Okay, over here, level 1. Okay, remember I'm doing one-time offer for everybody. Down here, hide. And over here, advanced. Okay, so there it is. All right, now to the S2 member side. Let's just go to all pages here. So let's go over to JVZoo. Okay, let's add our one-time offer here. Okay, let's take it out of the marketplace. You're not going to want it in the marketplace. And people are only going to be able to buy this if they've bought a membership because we protected it with S2 member. So S2 member test OTO. And then our price, whatever it is. I'm just going to set it at $1.50, but whatever, we'll set it at 27. Okay, commission percent 50. This is not a subscription. So now, put in our support address here. Now our sales page is going to be our one-time offer. So that's this one. Copy link location. Paste it in here. And then the delivery method is download page. And then we go, this is our OTO download page, so copy. And paste it in here. And then we want to auto approve. Remember, because we want our affiliates to get credit when they come through if they do an OTO. And that's all. We don't need to do anything with external integration. So let's save the product. Okay, so now we're going to add a buy button. Whichever one we want. Let's go get one of the smaller ones. And we're going to add this to the one-time offer page. Like that. This no thanks you can link to one of your other pages. I'm just gonna, I'll move it to the, or have it go to the front page. So update. All right, now let's go view the page. Now remember what's going to happen. Remember, I cannot look at this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just set up a new member, and then I'm going to log in with that and come to this page. So first I'm going to copy the URL to this page. I'm going to log out, or no, I'm going to go to the dashboard, and I'm going to add a new member. So add new. Okay, I'm just going to go through and add a new member here as a bronze member, and then I'm going to go to the one-time offer page. Okay, now I've added the new user, but we forgot to do one thing. What we need to do is go to our page where they first came in. So this is our welcome to the members area page, and we need to put a link to the one-time offer. So we can do, well, let's put some code in here. Okay, so now I have another bit of code here called the member options page OTO code. So grab this, copy. Now we just need to put the one-time offer sales page right here. So that is this one. Copy it. And then just where I put this holder in here for you. So just replace it. And that's it. Now, I'll update that. Now I'm going to log in with the new user I set up. So let's log out. And we're going to log in. Okay, so here we are. Here's our one-time offer link. Click on this. Here's our one-time offer page. Here's our one-time offer button. Okay, and then we can go ahead and purchase it. This is a normal JVZoo purchase now. Nothing mysterious going on anymore. It's just that we have to be logged in to S2 member. Okay, so when we were done, we would go to the download page. Okay, now let's log out and log back in. Okay, you see that the one-time offer option is no longer here. Okay, so they can no longer get to it. If they were to find the page, it won't let them in anyway because it says that it's not available any longer to them. Okay, so if you wanted to integrate separate one-time offers, all you would do is put a different one-time offer on each page for each member level. Just like I showed you, works exactly the same way. You'll just have different one-time offers pages for each level and different download pages and different JVZoo products. Okay, so that's it. You now know how to integrate JVZoo with S2 member for all your member levels and for your one-time offers.